It's October, which means Halloween is right around the corner, so get your home ready for spooky decorations by properly caring for your yard this fall. In today's Ask Angie segment, we have some favorite fall landscaping projects. From routine lawn care to landscape redesign, there's no shortage of outdoor projects to do this fall. Joshua Belcher, the owner of Liberty Landscaping and a pro at Angie, is here to walk us through this season's top landscaping projects.
Fall is a really great time to plant just about anything. So if you want to be able to enjoy it through the winter months, most of your evergreen shrubs like boxwoods and yews and that sort of thing, you'll be able to enjoy that plant throughout the winter and still see the greenery on it. And spruces and any kind of tree like that that's got the greenery throughout the winter, those are nice to enjoy throughout the winter. But as far as planting goes, fall is the best time to plant anything. I would say mid-August all the way through late October is a great time to plant. You got your milder temperatures and you don't have to worry about watering so much. So yeah, fall is a really outstanding time to plant.
And don't forget about routine yard maintenance. The long hot days of summer may be behind us, but you still need to take care of your yard in the fall by cutting it and giving it water when it needs it.
Early fall, people cut their grass just about the same frequency as they would in the summer. Now, as it gets later into the fall, you'll notice you have to cut it less and less, as where in the summer you might have to cut it 2 times a week. Later on in the fall, I would say every 10 days, every couple weeks, you can usually get away with cutting it then. But like I said before, you just kind of want to keep an eye on what your grass is doing. And if it needs cut, cut it. If it needs some water, give it some water.
Fall is also a great time to start winterizing your lawn and flower beds. Preparing your yard in the fall will ensure your plants can live through the winter and thrive again when spring comes around.
So right before winter hits, the best thing you can do for your lawn and landscaping is probably just to give everything one last trim and go through all your beds and give everything one last clean up and just kind of get ready for the upcoming season. And that's a good way to do that. Just everything can be maintained one more time and then you can kind of put it to bed, and when spring rolls around, you're ready to rock and roll.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Well, tweet them using hashtag AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.